Hey business owners, today we're going to set up a payment link using a PayPal button. So if you are set up with PayPal, if you have, I believe you have to have a business account. I could be wrong about that, but the thing that you want to do is you want to go to paypal.com/buttons, and then you're going to land on a page that looks like this. So we want to create smart buttons. And the reason for this, in this particular case, we are going to set up a button that goes with the lead generation system that we just set up. So if you watch the previous videos, you know that we set up a lead generation system that will enable us to, number one, generate leads. Leads are people who are interested in our business. We only want to talk to people who are interested, right? So we want to set up a system that enables interested people, interested consumers, to sign up for our community. And so we set that system up. On the front end, they can sign up, become a lead, and then on the back end, we also have a exclusive offer that we are going to give them so that they can even get even more results with their business. So here is the thank you page. So our free resource that we provided to our ideal customers. And I'm in my site builder. So on the left hand side here, you might see some information there that looks a little funny, but I want to just show you this page really quick. It says, thank you for signing up. Your free planning worksheets are on the way to your inbox. So as soon as someone hits that submit button, they're going to be taken to this page, and they will be able to save 50% on our income expense tracker spreadsheet. Now, we're going to give people 50% off only because they signed up. So this is an exclusive offer. We're not going to send them to our shop because in our shop, we're selling this for $15.99. So we want to give them this big discount because they are our new subscribers. So we have this button here, and this button is going to enable them to buy. But we need to have a link so that we're not sending them to our shop. We want them to be able to check out right here. So that is the purpose for our PayPal button. So now we're going to create our button. So we go over here to Smart Buttons. Okay, and then, okay. I think this is a little bit different. So this is a no code option. I don't want to be on the developer page. I just want to create a button. Pay later offers, pay with Venmo, save payment methods, alternate payment methods. Okay, so let's go back. That is totally not what I want. Let's see, sell on social. Let's do a buy now button. I think that's more, yeah. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So we want to click on buy now, and we're going to go to our thank you page, and we're going to get the information from our thank you page so that we can make sure that we have the same wording that we use on our checkout. So it's really important that you create consistency so that people are not confused when they go to your checkout. And then our button is going to say buy now. It's going to be in English, US English. We're going to show the card logos, and we're going to use a drop down menu. We don't need a drop down menu. A message for custom requests. We don't want that either. Optional tracking. Now you can use this if you would like, but we're not going to necessarily need that right now. We do want to use taxes, and we're going to say 7.5%, and we don't need shipping. We don't want to customize nope, we don't need a shipping address. And then this is where we can send people once they make their purchase. So we want people to go to our website when they make their purchase. I'm going to say we're going to send them right back to that thank you page. So we will use let's use the URL for our thank you page. So we'll say we'll send them back to that thank you page, and then they'll also receive an email um, once they buy the product. Okay, so save and create button. And let me just see really quickly, is there a way to put a message in there? Doesn't look like it. Okay, no problem. So what I think I'll do is I'll probably create a special page that, they can be taken to so that they can understand how to get their product. So after you have someone buy from you using a link, you want to make sure that you have a way for them to get their product. So either an instruction page or another landing page or another thank you page or something that tells them how to get their product. So that will be something that I will work on in a moment. So we're going to save and create the button. And that is pretty much it. So here it is. There's the button. If I want to put this button on my page, I can use this code or I can use this link. So I'm going to use this link and I'm going to just copy that, and I'm going to go over to my thank you page, and we're going to put that link into this page. So let's go down, and I already put a link in here. This is from a previous video that I did on Stripe. So I also did a video like this for Stripe, but we're just gonna incorporate our PayPal button into that link. And then the other thing that I want to do is I want to say, if you use a PayPal button, then you want to maybe put something in there to let them know that they can pay with their PayPal, or not their PayPal, but their credit card. So the credit card icons. So we're going to stick those right under there. And we're going to say everything. We're not going to do Bitcoin as a method of payment, but Apple Pay, Google Pay, American Express, Visa, MasterCard. Okay. So these are the payment methods, and we're going to center them somehow. Okay, so let's see. We're actually going to make this smaller. And we're going to center it. And then we're going to take this spacing off the top and spacing off the bottom. And we're going to take the spacing off the bottom of this. We will, let's maybe put in a couple of pixels above there. So that way they kind of see all the different methods that they can use to pay for their product. Okay, so then now we can hit save, and we are good to go. So now let's just test this really quickly. We're going to go over and we're going to open up a private browser window, and we're going to just test out our system. And that way you're going to be able to see how this system works. So if you don't have a system set up that does this, I would recommend watching that video. Okay, so here's our landing page. We have our opt-in form, and this is our lead magnet over here. This is some planning worksheets. And then I'm just going to enter my email address. I'm just going to put in a bogus email address here. And I'm going to click on, and I need to fix that button. I've been saying that for the last few videos. So now we're on our thank you page. So when someone signs up, they're immediately taken to our thank you page. And then this is where they will be able to get their offer. Now, I have been on this page before, so the countdown is at 12 minutes now. Now, I've done some previous videos and kind of gone through some other stuff, so now it's only giving me 12 minutes. But if you've never been on this page before, then you're going to be starting at 30 minutes. So that gives your ideal customers 30 minutes to figure out whether they want this tracker. And it's going to tell them what they're going to get. It gives them the sale price, $7.99. And when they click on buy your spreadsheet, hopefully this is going to take them to PayPal. and it's still taking them to Stripe. So let me go back. I think I probably forgot to refresh the page. I may have even forgot to save it. So just one moment. Okay, so let's save. And then we'll go back to, once this is done saving, we'll go back to our browser, our private browsing window. And let's refresh this page. Yeah, because the credit cards aren't showing. Okay, so now let's click on the Buy Now button and see what happens. Okay, so this is going to take us to PayPal. So there you go. So now it looks like we're going to be, gosh, it charged $8.59. I'm going to have to look at that because maybe I put in the wrong number for the tax. But anyway, it takes them to the PayPal page. So we are good to go. This system is actually working. And I think, let me just take you over to the very beginning because that was not a smooth transition. Okay, so here we are. We're on the original page. That is not the original page. Okay. Okay, so get your business organized, and then we put in the bogus email address, hit submit, takes you to the thank you page, and now we have 10 minutes left. And then buy your spreadsheet now. Okay, so there you go. And it takes less than 5 minutes, for someone to sign up, become a lead, and then buy your upsell or your complimentary offer or whatever. So, and you don't have to be there. That's the great thing. If someone wants to sign up for your list at 3 o'clock in the morning, you don't have to be there, but everything gets done. The payment gets processed, the lead gets processed, the lead gets their freebie, the free resource that we talked about on the first page, this planning organizer. They get that. They get their, and then they're also going to get access, as soon as they sign up, they're going to get access to their spreadsheets. So this is a system that works without you actually having to be there. This is what they call passive income. And if you drive enough traffic to this, you are going to see the benefits of, number one, your audience is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, which means you'll have more people to talk to about your online business. You can drive traffic. When you send out your email messages, you can drive traffic to your blog or your website or your YouTube channel or whatever. And then you can also, start selling more products and services. So this is the system that everyone is using. These are, in some way or another, people modify these systems to, they tweak them, they modify them to suit whatever purposes they have. People use these systems to sell affiliate products. And so these are the things that you want to do. These are the tools that you need to use in order to be successful with your online business. So the other thing that I wanted to show you, and I meant to do that on the first video, and that is to show you the tool that I use. So this is my theme builder tool that I use to build this system. And this has everything you need. So including the countdown timer, the lead generation forms, the landing pages, the thank you pages, all of that comes from this particular product. So I'll put a link to this below this video as well. If you're interested, you can head over and take a look at that as well. So I appreciate your time today. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you on the next video.